selections ze-junior chamber international. Andona ungotsvuka-tsuka kwendakaita pane kamwe kamuindia so
azvika
kamuindia so kakabva kauya kachikanda shoko
kwauri manje
ndakavatarisa so
but
handizivi ndandimwana kakakandira moto
kana kuti
kakabva kati hey sexy and chilly at the same time.
Whoa.
Ooh, you know.
Wow.
So when I was now on radio looking for a name,
yes,
kandati baba vakandidescribe vachinditi baba
exactly
vakanditi sexy kava baba vakanditi chilly kuti I'm hot,
yes,
you know. Wow, you know, peace.
And the Indians are chilly too much,
you know. Saka ini ndikabva ndati no ndikazviti DJ Chilli, keeping it extra hot on Power FM.
Wow, I remember that line. I remember that statement, man. Yes.
Ndindori munhu ari different.
Oh yes.
And ndaitokuranchidzazvo hazviba.
Okay.
Yes.
Were you that naughty or what?
I wasn't even naughty. I was a bit different from the rest of the other children.
Okay.
Ndandiri munhu who was outgoing, go out there,
yes,
do things,
yes,
and you know, piercings, tattoos.
Whoa.
But musikazwa handinanga. Let me just correct that.
Why is Dora Kupi so?
I think maybe I'm a creative.
Yeah.
It was a way of expressing myself.
Oh yeah, I see.
So each and every tattoo says something about me.
Okay.
I know the tattoo.
How many tattoos do you have?
I've never really counted, like 1, 2, 3, 4.
When you say 3, do you mean down there?
Yeah.
Do you mean down there? Oh, really?
I had guys down there, Pagumbo.
Okay, that's fine. All right. But that's you.
But you know what? You've given me an idea.
Oh, yeah, but you should try that as well.
I should try it.
Yeah.
Yeah, I've got 5 tattoos.
5 tattoos. And they with meaning?
Yes, they all have meanings.
Tell me about that.
You know, I've got a butterfly. I always believe that I am a butterfly. You know, I'm that person who came out of a cocoon.
Yeah.
I was a shy person, but I did a number of things to get out of that cocoon.
Wow.
I joined the Junior Chamber International.
Yeah.
I also went into modeling. I became Miss Malika, second princess.
Wow.
I even came to represent Midlands. You know, all those things just to boost my confidence.
Yes.
And, you know, I then grew to be a butterfly. All colorful. I spread my wings and I'm flying.
Wow.
Yes.
I like that.
And then the other one that I have here, and you know, Zamwari, Pangari Pamchinjiko,
Jeso.
Paneonini, crown chawakaitirwa, chaya chema thorns chia. Yes, so I've got a couple of thorns here.
Okay, what does that represent?
It represents kuti ndiri mwana wa Mwari, and for me to be who I am today is because of him.
Okay.
You know, handi kungwara kwangu, handi kuti ndinogona kana kuti anything, but I believe in God.
Oh yeah.
I have faith in God. Kuti everything I do is because of him.
Of him, yeah.
And if chero ndipinde muindustry to be honest, pendakaenda kuma auditions ndikazi nda DJ, ndinombofara iti.
Why?
And I don't know, because I never grew up listening to radio.
Oh yes.
Saka ndandoti umana vanodondibatira andikazudza kuti 3 to 6 months. But God had other plans. 20 years later. So you see.
Ooh. Yeah, that's really powerful, Hazi. Anyway, wakazvarwa kwaMutare, and then you grew up in Gweru. Ndokwakazomuvha muchienda kuGweru. So accent yemanyika yaWaswi wakaitora kupi? Is it because by time ishoma yakagara kwaMutare here, or it was just because wakangoinakirwa nayo even uri kuGweru?
You know, not even. I was born kudanga mvura kwaMutare Anditika. And then my dad worked for the railways. So he was transferred. Tikatomboenda kuBulawayo.
Okay.
Tikatombogara kwaBulawayo.
Right.
And then I was still very young then.
Yes, I see.
And then we moved from Bulawayo to Gweru. But then, you know, baba wangu manyika, mai wangu mundau.
Oh.
Yes. So in the household,
I see.
you see now.
So there was no way.
There was no way.
Yeah.
Kuchechi kwetopinda ndiri muyuna, United Methodists. Kunana manyika.
Manyika food.
La Mwari, Uba, Siri, Wedu, you know.
Exactly.
So the school I went to, you know, at that time, guys, you know, speaking in Shona.
Oh, English
Strictly only. So obviously at home tukutaura chimanyika, taenda
kuchikoro,
kuskuru English only. So hapana dilution yakamboitika ba.
munhu wese anenge akamirira akagara patv, you know. In 2009 you hosted a television show yainzi Hoza Friday.
Yes.
And everybody, you know, munhu wese aina kugona kuti show iyo kumana akati akaimirira, you know, azvachipinda. So pfungwa dzekujoina pa-TV chichakaitika, were you offered that role or you were like, no, I want to, or you maybe you auditioned for it?
No.
Yeah.
I used to come and do some other program, but I wasn't really into TV, to be honest. And then one day we had CEO Ainzwachi Weshe.
Yes.
And then I remember ndishitofamba umwe musiso wakutonditi Haji. You know what? There's a program, and this program I want it to be live.
Wow.
I do not want it to be a recording. And you know what? I know and I feel you are the right person for it.
Hey.
I know. That okay, let's give it a go.
Yeah.
And he was right. The very first episode.
That's the one, Hoza Friday.
Yes, just flowed just like that.
Wow. You know, TV, it's something really different from radio, like you said. Vanhu kumba uko vanenge vachitira kuona, unlike pa-radio, because ndongori, you know, behind the scenes, apana kuziva zviri kuitika and stuff. And pari pada kuchenwa kasmati, pauda confidence, but you had all that, hazvinei. I remember the energy, papo, and also zvawairatidza pa time iyoyo kuti you love what you do. Why is you gonna say? Tell me about that.
You know, when I'm on radio and even TV.
Yes.